Welcome to first grade! I'm Miss Eubanks and this was my third year teaching. I'm going into my fourth year. I love working with first grade because watching these young minds just get them light bulbs going off.
Hi, I'm Miss Brooks. I'm the first grade paraprofessional. I've been working at Cross Creek for 7 years. This is my first year in first grade, and I like teaching because I enjoy to see the connections being made.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Scott, and I've been teaching for 18 years. This is my 5th year here at Cross Creek Charter School, and I love teaching to see the kids eagerly learn and the confidence that they gain.
All right, now that you have met the first grade team, time to take a tour of the first grade classroom as well.
In math, we are working with our numbers. We're going to work with place value. We're going to add and subtract. We are going to tell time. We're going to measure. We're going to work with graphs. We're going to solve word problems. And we're also going to work with 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shapes in first grade.
Along with our math concepts, in reading is a big step in first grade. We go over alphabetic decoding, we go over phonics skills with new spelling patterns almost every single week. We go over text fluency, being able to read text fluently and at a little bit faster pace, as well as being able to comprehend those questions about what the book is about. We go over many different themes, which we integrate our science and social studies in with our reading, and we work on habitats and landforms, and we talk about those big vocabulary words, which is a big thing in first grade. And we also do centers. We rotate centers, doing work on writing, word study, as well as meet with the teacher.
In first grade, we create hands-on activities using science, technology, engineering, art, and math that coincide with our weekly themes. Recently, we have been celebrating Earth Day. We are investigating landforms, and currently, we're learning about natural habitats. Showcased are some of our activities that we've recently completed. A 2D Earth using paint, paper, glue, and dirt to create the landforms in a 2D fashion. We're also working on a shoebox diorama of landforms. They include mountains, islands, volcanoes, valleys, rivers, and hills. I hope you're looking forward to doing some fun hands-on activities in first grade. See you soon, future first grader. There's a fire in your rainforest?
Yeah.
Cool.
Hey, that's our art. You like it?
Yep. What is it?
Oh, that blue stuff. Hey, this is dry stuff from Mario for some reason.
Is that your rainforest?
Yeah, this is a spider.
I see your monkey and the different layers. Very nice, guys.
Yeah, we're gonna actually write we're gonna label it so source floor, understory, canopy, and emergent layer.
Awesome
We
sauce.
can actually layer it.
I love that. Yes, label your diagram. I love that. Do I like your what?
Swan. That's my swan.
Your sloth? I love that sloth. What part of the rainforest does your sloth live in?
What was it called? Oh, the top of the trees.
So the emergent layer?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon, future first grader.